is what it's actually dealing with at this particular time. So now, dealing with some other mysteries, we got a lot to cover. It took them 500 years to produce and put together the complete story of Jesus. It says that what people know about Jesus is different than what is the really scholarly view about Jesus. The entire Bible has less than 2% of the teachings on Jesus, period. So that means, in actuality, you know that the book was borrowed from somebody else. When half the book is less than 2% on the whole teachings of Jesus. But yet the Christian is all in love with Jesus because he don't understand the science behind it. The science behind it. Now, we're dealing with symbology here tonight before we go into the other part. This is real crucial that you understand this in the Egyptian symbology. Trying to understand this. Here's another. In Egypt, or in Kemetic, you have 3 pyramids. Also represent the 3 stars in Orion's belt. The center star in Orion's belt is Sirius. In Orion's belt. Also representing 3 planets. The 3 planets is Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Also represents Isis, Horus, Heru, and Osiris. So for the Greek translation, it would be Isis, Osiris, and Horus, the first trinity. So, this is Heru, Horus, in the middle pillar. This is Isis or Aset. Let's put Isis. Or Aset. Let's put Aset. Let's put Heru. Aset. And Asar. You are Asur, or you are Asar, which is. And it also represents the mystery. How does this break down with us? The mystery of this is Isis represents the pituitary gland. Osiris represents the hypothalamus gland or region. And Heru, which is light, represents the pineal gland in the brain. And between the conjunction of these 3, you get the illumination of the middle pyramid with the capstone in the middle of the middle pyramid, which is Heru, which is both Aset and Osiris and Isis combined into one, their offspring, which is in you. In the Christian symbology, this would be transferred to 1 cross on Calvary, 2 crosses on Calvary, 3 damn crosses on Calvary. That's what this shit is. The 3 crosses on Calvary represent the 3 pyramids that you have visually. So you can't find no damn crosses nowhere in the motherfucking Middle East. The only thing you can find is a goddamn pyramid. And from this pineal gland, the 3rd pineal gland, you also have Mars, which is Horus, Saturn, which is the black planet, which is Isis, and Jupiter, which is the light bringer, which is Osiris. Gives reign to the god Mars, which is the god of war. But the mystery to all of this is the 3 stars on Calvary, the 3 pyramids, the 3 planets, and the 3 stars in the Orion belt give rise to one thing. In front of the Egyptian pyramids, you have the Sphinx, which is Horus on the horizon, which is the true Christ of the world, because we got evidence of this goddamn Christ, and we ain't got no evidence of the other shit that was stolen from it. Which is your symbol, which is a symbol of melanin, which is in which makes you the Christ. But the cavalry and the 3 stars is the same thing. Which also in the Kabbalistic, you got the Kabbalah, at the top of the spear of Kabbalah, you got down 3 spears. At the bottom of the Kabbalah, the top one is the 3 spears. Which is Kemetic, which is Horus, which is Binah, which is Isis, which is Saturn, and then you have the universe here, wisdom, Hakma, or Shakma, which is actually Osiris, wisdom of Osiris, or Osar. These are the mysteries of what they're actually dealing with at this particular time that you must understand. But in the movie, The Men in Black, they showed this little ball around the cat's neck. And they said that the universe was on Orion. Well, the universe is on Orion because that's the doggone Sirius star system, which is a binary star. You got Sirius A, which is the brightest star in the sky. Now, everything out there ain't nothing but a hologram of what's going on down here.